What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to improve the Google Maps GPS location accuracy on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on location. Now make sure the location button is turned on. So after turning on this button, tap on location services. Now in location services, turn on Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Now after turning on these buttons, go back and here tap on app permissions. Now from here open the Google Maps app. And then tap on allow all the time, and after selecting this allow all the time option, here you will see a use precise location button. So if this button is disabled, then tap on this button again to enable it, and after enabling this feature, the Google Maps GPS location accuracy will be increased. So that's how you can improve the Google Maps GPS location accuracy on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.